Installing your beautiful new Twist2Go roller blind couldn't be simpler. Hold the blind up to the window recess and push the tightener against the wall to compress it. Then raise the control end into place. Make any small adjustments you need to the blind's position so that it's straight and level. Hold the blind tightly to keep it in position and turn the tightening wheel to lock the blind in place. Turn the wheel clockwise relative to the blind. Keep turning the wheel until it's as tight as you can make it. It is a legal requirement that the child safety device is installed to keep the chain taut at all times. Hold the P-shaped cleat against the wall as far down the length of the window as possible. Mark the screw holes with a pencil, then drill your holes and insert roll plugs. Use the screws provided to secure the cleat to the wall. And it's as easy as that. Your new blind is fitted and ready for you to enjoy. Installation made simple with Twist2Go.